Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys one of my best meat pie recipe. Very delicious, and you can use any kind of meat in this to play around. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started. To start off, here I have 4 tablespoons of butter. To this I've added 1 tablespoon oil. Now let it heat and melt. I'm using around 1 pound of beef steak. You can use any kind of steak, so I'm not going to tell you which steak to use. Use anything that you prefer. Add them in batches in the oil and fry them until it's browned in sides. Both batches are done. Set this aside in a large plate. Here I have 1 large onion. I'm going to add that in the same oil. 3 to 4 garlic cloves, finely minced. Go ahead and saute until it's nicely brown. Add salt in between. It helps to cook the onions quickly. And once it's browned, here I'm adding 1 teaspoon mustard, crushed or Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon flour. Go ahead and cook until it's all well combined. It might take a couple seconds. Here I am adding 1/3 of a cup white cooking wine or regular wine. If you don't have wine, just skip it and just add regular water. Cook for 5 minutes. Here I have 1 cup of stock of any choice. You can use vegetable stock, chicken stock, beef stock. Here I have half a cup of beef or bone broth. Go ahead and scrape all the browns from the side of the pot that has all the flavors. Now I'm adding pepper to taste. Adjust salt as needed at this point. Combine well and cook until it comes to boil. And once you see it starts boiling, I'm adding 1 large potato that is cubed, took the skin off and cubed into small pieces. Half a cup carrot and half a cup of peas. It's a frozen piece. Go ahead and add and combine. You can cut them, slice them or dice them, it's totally fine. Now go ahead and add the meat that we browned earlier with all the juice. Go ahead and combine. Now we are going to just go ahead and start cooking this until the meat and the veggies are cooked through. Now after 40 minutes, you can see the meat and potatoes are cooked through. The potatoes just cooked through. You don't want to overcook it and make it mushy. So just cook until it's done. Here I have a little bit of water. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon corn flour with 3 tablespoons approximately of water. Just mix it to make a slurry. Now I'm going to just pour the slurry to make the liquid thicker, the beef pie thicker. You can also use just regular flour if you prefer. Cook until the mixture thickens up. At this point I'm going to add 2 bay leaves just to get that flavor in. And just mix it and cook for another 5 minutes and turn off the heat and let it rest completely to cool down. Here I'm using a puff pastry. You can use homemade pastry as well. This is a store-bought. I just thawed it and I'm going to use a small pie pan. Now place the rolled puff pastry in the bottom of the pan and press it down. Add the meat filling until it is full and then roll the second puff pastry dough to lay it on top of the pastry. Now go ahead and cover the corners and seal it. Make small cut in the center to any steam can escape. 1 egg and 1 tablespoon milk, egg wash, apply on top and bake this for 20 minutes in 400 preheated oven. Now the puff pastry is nice and golden color. You can remove this and serve this nice and hot. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.